conversation that's not just about us. When we don't know which way to go, and it doesn't really matter what we do, there's gotta be one good way to know. If all this is worth it, we can work it night by night. She says I'm not romantic, I say she's too dramatic. I tell her while we're at it, we can work it night by night. She says I'm not romantic, I say she's too dramatic. I tell her while we're at it, we can work it night by night. Night by night. Night by night. Night by night. I know inside of me, if you wait a bit longer, we'll see what's meant to be. Come on, girl, we can't be apart. The special kind of loving reaches right to my heart. When we don't know which way to go, and it doesn't really matter what we do, there's gotta be one good way to know. If all this is worth it, we can work it night by night. She says I'm not romantic, I say she's too dramatic. I tell her while we're at it, we can work it night by night. She says I'm not romantic.
On the other side of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true. Cause you moved to West LA or New York or Santa Fe or wherever to get away from me. Oh, but that one night was more than just right. I didn't leave you cause I was all through. Oh, I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell because I really fell for you. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking for a two-fly. Hefty thing to hold my love. When you move me, everything is groovy. They don't like it, sue me the way you do me. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. On the upside to a downward spiral, my love for you went viral, and I loved you every mile.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came.
You cast a spell on me. You hit me like the sky fell on me, and I decided you look well on me, So let's go somewhere no one else can see you and me.
Turn the lights out now. Now I'll take you by the hand, hand you another drink. Drink it if you can. Can you spend a little time? Time is slipping away, away from us, so stay with me. I can make you glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came.
Your clothes off, I'll say I'm sorry and I mean it this time, and I'll tell my it's the vodka talking. Now they're still born, the son of a bitch. Fifth Avenue dog, scratch a different itch. No one will ask me who I've been, and no one will ask me what I've seen. There's not a real bit of me here. It's just a story that I've weaved, a 3-minute song. Do you believe all these things that you've given me? I wanna take them, throw them away. All these things that you've given me.
What's the deal with my brain? Why am I so obviously insane? In a perfect situation, I let love down the drain. There's the pitch, slow and straight. All I have to do is swing and I'm a hero. But I'm a zero. Hungry nights, once again. Now it's getting unbelievable, 'cause I could not have it better, but I just can't get no play from the girls all around as they search the night for someone to hold on to. Just pass through, singing oh, 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 singing oh, oh, get your hands off the girl. Can't you see that she belongs to me? And I don't appreciate this excess company, though I can't satisfy all the needs she has, and so she starts to wonder. Can you blame her? Singing oh, 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 singing oh, tell me there's a logic out there leading me to better prepare for the day that something really special might come. Tell me there's a hope for me. I don't wanna be lonely for the rest of my days on the earth. You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed, but when you smile at the
you're being shy and turn away when I look into your